Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Hope you all had a great start in the new year. Yeah, I pray that all that your heart desires be granted unto you this year 2018. It will be a great year in Jesus' name. So in this video I'll just be showing you how I achieved this look. It was super easy. Yeah, let's just start. So I'm just brushing the hair to make sure it's detangled, no knots, to make the straightening easier. So I put my straightener to 230 degrees and use my heat protectant from John Frieda to protect the hair from its heat damages. And while twisting the hair, I make sure I hold it up for some seconds and just don't drop immediately, just so my curls last a little bit longer. And I wanted to have some waves instead of tight curls, so that's why I'm using my straightener. So I'm just going to do this for the whole head, and I just fast forwarded everything so you will slip off. Anyway, so I'm just creating my part. I like my part to be on the left side. I just think it suits me. Yeah, that was a little dance. I just think it suits me better when I have it on the left side. So I'm just creating that already, and then I'll continue to add my curls. Yeah, to make it, just to make me see what I'm doing better. And by the way, I'm using the Remington, what's it called? Remington Pro Sleek Straightener. I think it's really good. It's doing a pretty good job. I look so concentrated. I'm so focused. Oh my god. Oh, this girl is not even joking. She's not even smiling. Yep. So anyways, that's it. So I'm just using this icy hairspray to lay down the flyaways, just to have everything slick and smooth and yeah, neat. And to have that extra hump in front, that volume, I used hair mousse, and in this video I'll be using the one from Lotta Body, just to smooth out everything and put everything into shape. Then use a clip to hold up the volume in front, and then I'll just let it air dry, and while the clip is still in, it just dries in that shape, so it stays like that. Then I'm just trimming the hair a little bit to make it even, and I'll just set it aside to let it dry. So now onto the hair. Yes. Flaunt it. Oh yes, show them. Okay, so yeah, she likes to show off. Okay, Tolu, it's all right. So we're going to weave the hair to the back. It's just the usual basic step, just simple cornrows. I made mine too thick. I think I should have made it much more thinner, but I wasn't going anywhere anyway, so it was just for video purposes. Yep, I was getting tired. Like, weaving your hair is not a joke. It's not easy. It was really tiring, and I've not even done 2 yet and I was already tired, so it's not even a joke. Anyway, so you just weave it down, and I think here was kind of, my nails were just entering my hair somehow. So in order to save time, I just did the rest off camera, but I'm going to show you the last one so you can see how I connected the previous one to the next one. And if it's too fast, you can just pause or rewind. Yeah, so you get it properly. So when you're almost done, you just connect it and weave it to the end, and that's it. It's super easy, and like I said, it's actually really thick. I should have made the cornrows much more thinner, but it was just to show how to have the hair under the wig. It's actually supposed to be really flat, so your wig lays super flat. But since I'm not going anywhere anyways, so yeah, I could just do it like this. So now that the cornrow is done, you just take a crochet hook and hook the tail of your hair into the cornrows, so you don't have it sticking out under your wig, because that's the least you want, having something sticking out. So you just stick it underneath. Depending on how long your tail is, you just have to stick it until it's short enough. And that's it. We have our hair laid flat and yep, ready to wear our wig. And that's her. That is her. Yes. So I'm just going to flip it over and put the band underneath my cornrows and then just swipe the hair over it. Thank you, sorry. And this is how it looks at the beginning. It looks really funny, but we're going to fix it. We are going to fix it. Just shift it into place. Make sure it's nice and snug. You can shift it left to right depending on where you want your pattern to be. Then I'm just using a rat tail comb to push out the hair underneath the wig, not our natural hair, because it's supposed to be protective style. Just the hair under the wig. Just pulling it into place. Make sure it's the way I like it. And actually, without even adding anything like glue or whatever, it stays firm. Super snug, super firm, and yeah, you could actually go out like this. But if you want to be on the safer side, I'll just suggest you use the spray that I'm going to use right now, which is the Got2b. Oh, but before that, I'm going to use hair mousse to just smooth down everything, make sure everything stays in place. Just coming in some more mousse. And now for the extra hold, I'm just using this Got2b hairspray and pressing it onto my head with the tip of my comb. And a little bit actually goes a long way. You could actually use a dryer to make it faster, but I didn't really like heat on my hair, and since I wasn't going out anyways, like, it didn't really have to be super duper dry. So I'm just pulling it into place again and adding some more spray to the side. And I think this is even better than the Got2b glue or gel glue, the one in the tube, the black and yellow, because this one is just a spray and you just spritz it on it, stick it down, use a dryer or not, and you're good to go. And when you're done, you just run water on it, and it also removes easily without damaging the edges, which I think is really, really good. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side of. I actually tinted the lace on the frontal and I plucked it a little bit. I customized it. For more information about the wig, I'm going to leave everything in the information box or section below, so just click on it and yeah, you get all the information about the hair length, where I got it from. Yeah, it'll all be down there, so just go click on it and check it. And if you've made it this far in this video, just please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel for more videos. It really motivates me and keeps me going when the numbers increases, of course. And yeah, like, of course, don't forget. Thanks. So this is it after I've sticked it down. I really liked it. Yep. Ooh, I just hope I don't break my neck. A little dance. Yes, yes, girl. So yes, I kind of liked it, but I just think something was still missing. So I think I wanted to cut it. I wanted to have it a bit shorter, but I was a bit skeptical. So I don't know if short hair is going to suit me, but I mean, it's not my hair, it's just someone else's hair. So let me just try it, and it's not that long, so I'm not really losing much of length. So I'm just cutting it with a razor comb. I'm not using the scissors because I don't want the ends to be super blunt. So when you use a razor comb, it gives it that tapered cut. So I'm just combing it downwards, and I think it actually looks good. It gives it more body and fullness. I think it's not that bad. And then the same thing also on the other side, just using this razor comb to comb it down. And I think I used scissors to cut the other side because I was just getting tired, and the razor comb was just not doing it for me. It was just taking way too long, so I just used the scissors to cut it and use the razor comb to taper it down a bit. And that's it. Short. I had hair everywhere, my mouth, my nose, everywhere. Anyways, yeah, I think it really looks cute. I like it short. What do you think? Longer or shorter? Yeah, that was a brush for my hair, wasn't my toothbrush. So what do you think, short or long? Just let me know in the comment section below. I think the short one looks better, but yeah, let me know. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you understood what I was doing. Oh yes, yeah, I didn't know I like to dance like this. Yeah, that shows I really like the hair. Anyways, yeah, let me know which one you like, long or short. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.